Today, I'll walk you through how to disable friend suggestions on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your friend suggestions so you can enjoy a more personalized Snapchat experience. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. If you're familiar with the app, this should be a breeze. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps remain the same. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji or the silhouette icon in the top left corner of the screen. This is your personal space where you can manage your settings. Next, look for the gear icon, which represents settings, and tap on it. This will take you to the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Snapchat experience. Now scroll down until you see the notifications option, tap on it. This section allows you to control what notifications you receive from Snapchat. Within the notifications menu, find the option labeled Friend Suggestions. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it and you'll see an option to disable friend suggestions. Go ahead and toggle it off. This will prevent Snapchat from suggesting friends based on your contacts or mutual friends. Next, let's enhance your privacy further. Go back to the main settings menu and look for privacy controls. This section is crucial for managing who can see you and how you appear to others. Once you're in privacy controls, find the option that says See Me in Find Friends. This setting allows others to discover you through their friend suggestions. Tap on it and disable it as well. This step is essential for maintaining your privacy. Lastly, it's a good practice to clear your cache after making these changes. This helps ensure that the app runs smoothly and that your new settings take effect. To do this, go back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and tap on Clear Cache. Confirm your choice and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled friend suggestions on Snapchat. This means you can enjoy a more tailored experience without unwanted suggestions popping up. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.